Hello guys and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you another way of creating dispersion effect, or as I call it, splatter effect in Photoshop. I have already created one video on that specific topic, so I will link it in the cards in the upper right corner and in the description below. If you want, you can check it and decide which one of the two ways is more suitable for your specific picture. The first step to create this effect is to cut your person or image that you want to do the effect on, and if you don't know how you can do this, you can check the video in the upper right corner or in the description below. I personally decided to use the masking way of cutting in Photoshop. Then I just convert the mask into smart object, and I'm duplicating this layer so I can create the effect in the second layer. This time I'm creating the effect using the LIQUIFY filter. You can find it on the up menu under filter LIQUIFY. Depending on the occasion, you can liquefy also the face, but in my personal opinion, in this case it looks better when I only liquefy her hair, and we create this effect only over her hair. When you have the effect done, you'll have something looking very funny, just like the one that you're seeing now on the screen, but don't worry, we'll change that. The next step is to apply masks on both of the layers, and we're starting again. You will see now how important it is to know the ways of masking, the same way that I used to cut this image. With black, you have to remember is what is not visible in the layer, and with white is the parts that are visible. Using the brush tool and different brushes, I'm cutting with black brush. I'm cutting out some parts of her hair from the original layer. I'm also adding where I cut too much with white color. Just you have to understand that with white you add, with the black you remove. You can add whatever you want, you can cut whatever you want, so just play a little bit with your image and you'll see that the final result is getting better and better every time you try. Using different brushes, I'm cutting and adding different parts of the two layers. Be careful to cut a little bit on the edges or from the original picture, so you have these cut out places.
Wish I could get through to you, don't know what I'd do to you. Anything I say will come off as wrong and you're not alone. Something feels out of place but you have no tell. It's like we want the same things but the lines we've drawn are too parallel. I can't sleep when you're not talking to me. Got me suffering in silence, can't breathe when you're not here. I know that you feel some type of way, girl. You don't say it to my face, oh. Just say it to my face. Say it to my face. I know that you feel some type of way, girl. You don't say it to my face, oh. Just say it to my face. Say it to my face. To my, who's making the rules I abuse? I'm confused enough. Why don't you think we could talk? Am I not the one who always comes through? Got me in a dark place if you couldn't.
The rest is just cutting and adding using the mask. You can stop whenever you feel good and whenever you're happy with the result, and that's it. You can just save your picture and enjoy it. So I finished with my tutorial for today. I hope you enjoyed it and I hope you learned something new from that tutorial. Let me know in the comments below if you like this way or the other way better. It's slightly different, so I don't think there's a big difference in which way you prefer, but it's good to know both of the ways. Thank you for your attention. I'm going to see you in my next tutorial. Hopefully it will be really soon. Bye.